Good afternoon, boss. Today I want to tell you about my new brand of vacuum packed juice. It's called Vital Fit. It's a new brand that will hit the market offering new and delicious options of vacuum packed juice in order to preserve the freshness and texture of the fruits. These fruits are 100% salad and natural. We are going to handle three options. The green fit juice that helps to last and detoxify. The ingredients are carrots, green apple, cucumber, celery, and pineapple. The yellow mixed juice helps my to generate defense, contains vitamin A and C. The ingredients are pineapple, mango, melon, carrot, and oat flakes. And the red juice beet prevents hair disease, regular sugar. Its ingredients are blackberries, strawberries, purple grapes, red apple, and a grass. Everything will be handled on request and against home delivery on Saturday and Sundays. The colors that will be used in the logo are green, that is to reassure in the open air, yellow, what is harmony, wisdom, agility. These are related to the colors of the fruits, and the flavors that are going to Fred to set. The total investment value will be 15 million pesos to buy pulps, bags, to pack fruits, vacuum packings, machines, advertising, and distribution. The unit cost of the product is 4,000 pesos for unit. If you carry the 7-unit package for the wool with stock with our flavors is 24,000 pesos. The idea is to provide a healthy and economical option to people who like to take care of the health.